Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is Dr. Jen here to share with you about the first annual F.L.I.A experience. And you did hear that correctly, F.L.I.A, Fun, Loving, Intentional Adventure. But it is a first annual. We will be doing this in some form again next year. Now this year, July 22nd, we will be doing a 4-hour guided virtual experience personalized to you to create your life, your F.L.I.A, the fun, loving, intentional adventure. It's going to be hands-on, live, engaged, and specific to those in attendance. Now, this is not a lecture. This is an intuitive and psychic guided healing experience, clearing obstacles and blocks while providing a roadmap or blueprint for you to create your own experience. I look forward to seeing you there.